Hey guys, it's Blaine Klein from Entrepreneur Takeover. In today's tutorial, I will be covering how to create a free YouTube thumbnail using canva.com. We're going to be creating a basic picture with text thumbnail. I'm going to show you how to download it and quickly upload to your YouTube video. The first step is to head on over to canva.com. That's canva.com. Or simply click the link below the video. Once you're at the website, we're going to log in using Facebook. Once you've logged in, on the top Create a Design section, select YouTube Thumbnail. I'm going to select this layout here. It's the second one to the right. Basically, it's a picture with a background color and a text box. So super basic. Once that's loaded, I'm going to get rid of the picture. And I'm going to go to this upload section on the bottom left side here. I'm going to select a picture that's going to fill that section. Then I'm going to move over the background color so that the text box is a little more visible. I'm also going to get rid of this entire text box here because I just need one for this thumbnail. And then I'm going to make this box a little bigger. And then edit the text by highlighting it. I'm going to move it into the center. And then I'm going to select a font that I think looks pretty good as a thumbnail. It's called Lolita 1. And we'll title it How to Make a Thumbnail. Cool, it's a very basic thumbnail. Once we're happy with the changes we've made, on the top here we're going to click download. That's going to create a PNG file. Once your video manager is open with the video that you're looking to edit, select this button here, Custom Thumbnail, and go ahead and click on the most recent download. Great, and that's our recently created thumbnail. Click Save Changes. And now your viewers will be able to see your custom thumbnail that you were able to create for free. Thank you so much for viewing this tutorial. If you have any sort of questions, feel free to email me, blaine@entrepreneurtakeover.com. Also, if you liked the video, please go ahead and like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.